No head of government is safe. The response from former Prime Minister Bruce Golding in relation to tension between Venezuela and the United States. Mr. Golding weighed in on the region's response on Radio Jamaicans Beyond the Headlines moments ago.
The ongoing standoff between Venezuela and the United States intensified last weekend, and since then, the region has been on edge. The dispute has once again placed the Caribbean in a delicate position, given its geographic proximity, economic ties, and long-standing diplomatic relationships with both countries. Former Prime Minister Bruce Golding says the moment calls for a unified CARICOM response.
It would have been better if they were able to take a united position, muted though that might have to be, recognizing that they are confronted with terrible forces. The fact that Trinidad has separated itself is not a good thing. And I hope that that is an issue that will be resolved in due course.
Golding also addressed growing public debate and concerns from the public that Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness's response to the ongoing situation has been weak.
Trump operates with no boundaries. There's nothing that he feels is beyond the pale. And he will do whatever he thinks is necessary to further U.S. interests. So when Prime Minister Holness spoke yesterday, he was very careful, he was very measured. He understood that his primary responsibility is to ensure the protection of the Jamaican people.
Mr. Golding went further, arguing that no leader is safe.
No head of government in CARICOM is safe. Andrew Holness could miss that in the middle of the night. And they would then...
I'm so sorry, you broke up a little. Andrew Holness what?
He could be snatched in the middle of the night.
Oh, you mean like Maduro?
And they will find some charges to impose. So that what the Prime Minister said yesterday is the appropriate position of the Jamaican government.
As regional leaders continue consultations, questions remain about how things will unfold in the days ahead. Concerns, too, about how Jamaica will position itself amidst rising international pressure. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.